Okay. I'm losing all my pens. I have no idea. Okay. Oh, there's one of them. But still, I had like 5. I have 2. Whatever. I'll probably take them home. Okay. Find the exact value of each function. So this is essentially what your quiz was on, right? So 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's do 2. Okay. So if you're 60 degrees and it says to draw a picture, listen up. Okay, for the test that you're coming with, because you have your team quiz tomorrow, Wednesday, Friday, whatever. You can use your unit circle, you could use your unit chart. So really then, this becomes, can you do this? Because obviously you have access to a calculator, you have your chart, so, it's definitely a skill to be able to use the chart and the circle. So if you can get the right answer off of those, good job. You can use the calculator, hopefully you know how to type that in, which you guys do. But can you draw the picture? Those are going to be separate points. So you got to be able to do that, okay? So for 60 degrees, if I write 60 degrees, this is 60 degrees. So this is 30, this is 90, right? Remember, you're always drawing the right triangle off the x-axis. Whether if it's quadrant 1 or 4, you're on the positive x-axis. If you're in quadrant 2, 3, you're on the negative x-axis. You're always coming back to that x-axis. So your opposite is always that vertical. Your adjacent is always like the x-axis, okay? And your hypotenuse is your hypotenuse. That you guys don't ever mess up. Oh, I smeared the ink. Okay, so this is rad 3, 1, 2. And then if you guys label, which this was exactly what your quiz was on, O-A-H. Okay, they want sine, and it's SOHCAHTOA. So what's going to be what's sine of 60 degrees? Very good, rad 3 over 2. Right?
Wait, how did you get that?
O-H, O-H, S-O-H. Yeah? Yeah. Okay, so now if we kind of move it up, and it says find the given point. Oh, we find the point. I was like, wait, I was thinking of the back side where they go the other way. Okay, never mind. So they're going to give you 60 degrees in quadrant 4, 30 degrees in quadrant 2. You guys have to come up with a coordinate point. So remember, cosine is x, sine is y. All right. I know I'm talking at the very bottom because just seeing if you guys need to copy that. Okay. All right, so look. If I do, let's do a 30 degrees in quadrant 2. Okay, if I'm 30 degrees in quadrant 2, I draw my 30 degrees. This is my 60. There's my 2, rad 3, 1. But this is negative because this is your negative x-axis. This is your positive y-axis. Yeah? Watch the negatives. If you guys leave out the negatives, you're okay. I did that all the time as a student. Like, I would always leave off the negatives, and I always, like, before I submitted, I have to go back and be like, okay, did I do the negatives right? Because you just start rushing through. Okay, so this is O-A-H. Oh, wait. Oh, yeah, we do need to do this. Okay. Okay, so look. So now you're taking it a step further. Keep going? Yeah? Okay. I'm recording, you guys. Okay, so look. You have to, a point, remember, a coordinate point is x, y. That you guys know from all of middle school and freshman year, right? But now that you guys are in im3, pre-calc, calc, a coordinate point is cosine theta, sine theta, right? Okay, you guys have to find the cosine and the sine to here. So what is sine theta? It's O over H. So it's 1/2. Brandon's face is like questionable.
Oh, no, wait.
SOH.
It's just the same thing.
Yes. then what's cosine? What would my ratio be?
Negative rad 3 over 2.
Because it's C cosine A adjacent negative rad 3 H 2, right? Sine S sine O 1 H 2, right?
So you just add the circle, the theta.
Yeah, because because I don't want to write 30 degrees, because technically it's not 30 degrees. What's the degree there, really? Okay, if this is my standard 0 degrees, and it opens up here to, remember your hypotenuse is that angle, right? What is that opening? What is this degree measure?
Oh, like 100, or no, 150.
150, perfect. So I have cosine theta right there, but really it's sine 150 degrees, and really this is cosine 150 degrees, because it's 30 degrees in quadrant 2. Yeah? Okay, so what is my coordinate point? P, and then what do I put here and here? But which one's first? Cosine, right, is x, sine is y. So what do I put for the x component, cosine?
Negative rad 3 over 2.
Yes. And then this is, sorry, 1/2, right? And so that is your coordinate point. So again, you're still building off of just your reference triangles, because that is the unit circle, and then eventually, you know, we graphed a little last week, but this is just what it is. Okay, so now if we go to the back, did I not give you guys anything? I skipped you completely? Okay. I know, you guys, I never, ever, ever can do 100% passing out correctly. Did anyone else not get the sheet? Everyone else? Yeah, there's always a table. I either leave off an entire row or a table. Okay, so now let's flip it to the back. Okay, so now here, the 9 through 12 are, they give you the coordinate point. So that means if they give me this, that means cosine theta is -3/7. Sine theta is 5/7. And if you understand SOHCAHTOA, that means A is -3. Well, I don't know why I did that little thing. H is 7 and O is 5. See if you guys can see if you agree with that. Why I find white out. I don't know why I put it for the fraction bar. So you should be okay with pulling the components out and actually writing out what cosine and sine of theta is. But then can you make the kind of obvious leap of what A, O, and H is? Yeah? Because it's SOHCAHTOA, right? So if you have your proportion for sine, you know whatever it's equal to, the fraction is O/H, right? So O is 5, H is 7. Cosine is A/H. So A is -3, H is 7, and so far that holds for both of them, right? Because it's SOHCAHTOA, right? Cosine is A/H. Sine is O/H, right? That's what that acronym SOHCAHTOA is. Okay, so now, oh, is that all they were asking? I thought they wanted tangent. Oh, they didn't. Oh, okay, it's easier. You guys, don't we have the answers? Yeah. Okay, so what do I write here? Yeah, I didn't realize And then what do I write here? Yeah. Okay, if they wanted to go a little bit more like a logical leap, a leap in logic, what is tangent of theta going to be equal to if it's OA, TOA? What would be tangent then? That's what I thought the worksheet was asking for. I guess it's easier than what I thought. Right. Or you could just negative 5/3, whichever. So, if you guys want to give tangent theta a try then, yeah. Okay, so there's this sheet. And this is a really long video. I meant to stop and I forgot. So this test is essentially just SOHCAHTOA 30, 60, 90, 45, 45, 90, 1, 1, red 2, 1, red 3, 2. I mean, it's just, and then it's 360, and then of course know how to go from your conversion, which you guys all did really well when you guys took that one quiz. I think it was 8, 9, 10, and 11 or something, where you guys convert from degrees to radians and radians to degrees. Like pi over 180 or 180 over pi. Remember, you guys have access to the calculators, you have your unit circle, you have your unit chart. Okay. I should go. It's like going to be like 20 minutes. Well, what time is it? No, it's going to be like 16.